So this is clearly a priority area of the Department of Justice, and there are two divisions within the Department of Justice that cover our trafficking cases. There's the Child Exploitation and Obscenity Unit, commonly known as CEOS, and that would cover the trafficking of juveniles. And there's also a Human Trafficking Prosecution Unit, sort of broadly within our Criminal Civil Rights Division at Department of Justice, and that would cover trafficking of adult victims, labor trafficking, and increasingly what we're seeing against foreign national victims. So the Department of Justice has the ability to do that, and then each individual U.S. Attorney's office has a human trafficking point of contact. And so we're tasked with being able to help intake these cases, working with our various federal, tribal, state, and local partners to build these cases. And currently in District of Minnesota, it's a priority area of our U.S. Attorney, Erica McDonald. Coordination is crucial to building effective human trafficking cases, not only to identify it, but also all of the work that's needed to investigate the case and to prepare it for prosecution, and to complement that to make sure that the victim's needs are being taken care of throughout the course of the investigation. So that coordination happens in several different ways. We have task forces that bring together federal, state, tribal, and local law enforcement, and they both operationally share intelligence and share information and can work in conjunction. We also have federal partnerships, including the ACT team, and there are several of those throughout the country. District of Minnesota has been one. And that brings together our federal partners to better work collaboratively and share information. That would include the FBI, Homeland Security Investigations, Department of Labor, and Department of State. And so we're working to make sure that we're building the teams, sharing information, and working cooperatively. In part, these cases are so difficult and they require a lot of resources. Then we're also working with, and the Department of Justice provides grants to non-governmental organizations or other nonprofit groups who can provide some of the social services and other necessary resources to the victims of these crimes. And so we're continuing to build relationships with those organizations as well.